How to redeem Disney gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can redeem your Disney gift card. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem your Disney gift card, what you have to do is first of all open your browser, and then you have to go to shopdisney.com, which is the official website of Disney, and what you want to redeem it will also be here. So we will go to shopdisney.com. It doesn't matter whether you're on PC or anywhere else, just make sure to log into your account in a similar fashion. Once you log into your Shop Disney account over here, what you need to do is to first of all make sure to tap on the three lines over here, tap on the sign in button from the top left. And as you can see, I'll go ahead and then first of all sign into my account. Now once you sign into your Disney account over here, what we will do is we will go ahead and select the products that we want to shop. So we'll just go ahead and select the shop now button or anywhere else, and we will add the products that we want to our cart or to our shopping bag. So let me also just go ahead and add a few of these products to my shopping bag over here. I'll just tap on the add to bag section. Now once I add these products to my bag after selecting a specific size as well, what I will need to do is to simply go to our cart section, or you can also simply tap on the little bag icon from the top right hand side. Now once you tap on the bag icon from the top right hand side, you can see it says my bag. Now we will go ahead and then select the option called checkout, and once you select the option called checkout, you can go ahead and sign in or checkout, or you can also go ahead and then select a guest checkout if you want to. Now once you go ahead and then simply check out over here on the next specific page, first of all select all of your addresses such as all these details. So I'll just go ahead and then select all these details as well. Now once I go ahead and then enter all of my details over here, what I will need to do is I will need to continue to the payment section, and it is on the payment page where we can use our gift card. Once you tap on the continue to payment option over here, so let's say I'll just select continue to payment option, it'll take me to the payment option at the second, and this time we will find the option called add a gift card. So you can see the option called Disney gift card. Now you can use up to 5 gift cards on Shop Disney. So we'll just select the option called gift cards over here, and we will enter the code that we want to redeem. Enter your account number as well as the EAN. If you don't know what that is, you can tap on the I button to find out, and then tap on the apply button, and the balance will be added to this product right over here. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually redeem your Disney gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.